While some goods stay idle, others are thrown away too soon. 99% of the material content of goods becomes waste within 6 weeks. Short product life cycles intensify the throughput of resources in the economy and aggravate environmental and social impacts. For every bin of waste that a household produces, 70 bins of waste were made upstream. So even if we could recycle 100% of our household waste, it doesn't get us to the core of the problem. One of the reasons that products are thrown away is because they break down. And often the faults are minor, but the users are too reluctant to consider repair options due to low costs of a new good or a desire to get the latest model of a product instead. At the same time, acts like upcycling and repair offer valuable alternatives to the dump culture that mostly the developed societies have created. In addition to being consumers, individuals assume an active role in co-production of utility by fixing, repairing, and upcycling products, from upgrading electric and electronic equipment to refurbishing houses and repairing bikes and cars. Examples of places where individuals do this collectively include repair cafes and bicycle kitchens. The fashion of fixing things is being spurred by digital technology. Sharing knowledge and skills online is now easier than ever through platforms like YouTube, Fixperts, and Instructables. So individuals are actively co-creating production consumption systems with novel properties with the help of diverse stakeholders like startup businesses, municipalities, or social innovation hubs. They reframe their everyday consumption practices to include serious leisure projects, repair services, and upcycling strategies. These often have a pro-social purpose.